In this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on your Realme Narzo 50A. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and we'll need to start searching for an app. So now write Firefox browser and select this app. Click install, and after installation process will be complete, we can open the app. And here we can customize it. So the first thing is to pick the theme, and you can change it from light to dark or automatic. So I'm just gonna stick with the dark one. You can change the toolbar placement from bottom to top. You can also change always on privacy settings from standard to strict, sync other Firefox devices by pressing on sign up, and read our privacy notice. After doing so, press start browsing and you'll be able to go to any website and it should load properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.